I'm repairing a BMW X5 soaked in water. How about these? It's all the computer control modules of this car. Now let's take these computer boards apart. Deal with it. See after processing. Can it be used normally in the future? So here's a computer board. It is also sealed with a layer of glue. A thick layer of glue. Look at the structure inside. This is a solenoid valve. This is also a solenoid valve. There's got to be a motor in there. Its motor is down here. Return is achieved through this. So complicated, this. A lot of computer boards in his car. They are all sealed with a layer of glue. This is sealed with glue. This one is also sealed with glue. 50% of computer boards should be glued. In this case, it has a chance that it won't break. Let's put it on and take a look then. See if these computer boards break. Let's take a look now. Is this battery valve damaged? This solenoid valve works. Put a little oil eye. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this motor. It should be stuck by now. Did you see that? It's stuck now. Let's use these pliers directly. It can be turned now. Let's power it up now. Let it spy. Is it broken? It's already broken. You see, I've taken it apart now, but I didn't find the problem. Maybe this carbon brush. This contact piece may be a little shorter.